welcome to this week's YouTube video. We're going to do some bathroom organising today. I'm in my office because I picked up just a couple of bits to help me get a little bit more organised because I've got some messy drawers that need to be sorted. I like to think of myself as like a beauty product minimalist. I'm the sort of person that will use the last drop in a bottle, but I need a bit of organisation. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed when I'm in the loo. So let's organise my bathroom. Now I did pick up these bottles, grand for like cleansers, body wash, so you can stick them. I'm the sort of person, I hate an L branded shampoo bottle sticking out, gives me the ick, but these ones are actually plastic because the ones I have upstairs in the ensuite are glass, which probably isn't the most health and safety. So I got some plastic ones that I can use in this bathroom. So this is like my downstairs bathroom with the bathtub. Not looking too bad, gave it a clean last night, but I have loads of messy baskets full of like junk, getting a little bit out of hand. Like I've got like stuff in here which we'll go through, but I'm gonna start upstairs and organise that first. So for the bathroom upstairs, I'm only adding these 2 baskets and they match my bin perfectly. So 2 little baskets because I think they're great at like smaller little beauty items. I'm hoping they'll fit. And where I want to put them is, so in here, this bottom shelf can kind of be a waste of space, and sometimes there might be a loo roll hanging out there, and I want to like organise this like in here. We'll come back to that. So I'm hoping I can take some of the items that's in here, put them in the baskets down here, and they look nice. My bin, I love that the baskets match the bin, and I got this bin from Zara Home. I got it earlier in spring and it's perfect. Now I emptied out the bin, so I need to put in like a liner. So love the little bin. And then for anybody who is new to my channel, this bathroom I got refurbished, was it last year, 2021, last May, so I can link to the video. So I try to keep it as clutter free as I can, but I mean I don't always get it right. And then that's the bottles that I put in, like I think it was springtime as well, but these are glass. Now, I haven't dropped one and they have worked, but I don't know, maybe I should put the glass ones in the downstairs bathroom because they're not going to be high. But yeah, just to bear in mind, the plastic ones are probably better. I do try and not have as much plastic, but I think it will be better. So let's organise this. So I did try and be kind of organised in here. These are from IKEA, these little drawers, but I just think, you know, tampons next to toothpaste, you know, I could definitely do with, you know, sorting this out. Okay, much more organized. So in here, I've just kept the things that I use like all of the time. Anything tooth related, sunscreen, face wash, body stuff, body lotion, body oil, some makeup remover, face stuff, deodorant, things like that. Not looking too bad, better than what it was before. And then down here I just have the smaller little items, like the likes of those little oils and stuff for my face, and it's grand because I can just pick it up, pop it there, use it, and then stick it back as I wreck the tidiness. Anything here is anything related to my lady garden. You don't need to see in there. Feminine products in there. So that is nice and organized. And then over here I have some body lotion. So you would have saw me do this in the last video, and it's nice and handy because it just means that I'm not storing loads of shampoo bottles in here, and it just gives me more space. So shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body wash. So that has worked out for me, so I do like that. I just need to maybe not have glass. So in here I'm feeling more organized and tidy, not looking too bad. Ah, Miss Blondie, have you joined us? Do you approve? I always battle between more storage but more junk. For example, when I got my bathroom reno, which I'll pop a card to that video if you want to check it out, I was thinking to myself, I could have got this unit with 2 drawers. So the bottom piece would be a drawer, but I really like the wood. And I knew I would put junk in it, I knew, but it's a trade-off, isn't it? Sometimes I'm like, more storage means me putting more stuff in it. Whereas when I don't have as much storage, I'm more disciplined and I'm not as messy. Like if I had more storage, would I just like organise more shite? Do you know what I mean? So it's a trade-off. Are you the same? Are you a more storage, more junk? Try to be like balance. Balance is the key. So I'm happy enough for up here. Downstairs bathroom is kind of, at the moment, I treat it like a guest bathroom, because since getting my ensuite renovated, this is where I do all my scrub-a-dubbing, whereas the downstairs toilet now, which I used to spend all of my cleaning time in, is I don't use it as much, and it's where the bathtub is. Do want to get some work done on it, but I'm saving my pennies. And there's definitely some gone off toiletries and skincare stuff, so if I can thin it out and get it organised and just have a couple of essential things down there, I shall be happy. So in here there is definitely, I haven't touched what's in these in so long, so I'm gonna say there is some like a gone off like beauty products in here. Like, well, first of all, that's disgusting. The lid is off that. Oh Lord knows what's in here. Is that empty? No. Oh, that's good stuff. But I think it might be out of date. Oh no. Oh, toothpaste. That's not opened. I'll keep that. Yeah, I need to kind of go through this and get rid of stuff like, oh, see, I hang on to tester size things in the hopes that I'll use them, but like I don't. Then, okay, in here, so another basket full of little minis, but got all sinus rinse. Please don't judge my bathroom cabinets in the comment section. Hang on, my phone's ringing. I bet that my phone rang. So my goal is, if I can tidy this up, free up space, then I can take what's in these baskets, thin them out, and yeah, hopefully it will look a little bit tidier. know we ain't throwing out the good sinus rinse. Now I threw out the bottle because you're only supposed to keep that. But I can't find the date on my... Do these go out of date? I don't know, because I think they're just like a saline solution. I don't think I bought these that long ago, so I'm gonna retain the good old sinus rinse. But maybe I'll put them in a cuter bag. I love how more companies are doing refill bags. So I'm going to, well, I really should, this is like when I don't label plants. I'm going to fill up the bottles that I have, and then I will label them later on. I'm not arse doing it now. But what'll happen is I'll have my goal is a shampoo, a body and a conditioner bottle, and you guys are going to help me remember which one is which. I'll know by a sniff test, hopefully, and I'll put stickers on the little bottles later. But I'm thinking if I can have 3 little bottles, I don't mind leaving them out on the little bathroom wooden thingy-majiggy, then that frees up some space inside. But yeah, I'm loving the whole refill thing. I know they're still in a plastic bag, at least 77% less plastic compared to a bottle, and you can reuse your bottle. Every little helps. I am not perfect when it comes to this. I recycle everything, but I definitely could be better. Okay, I am feeling more organised. I've thinned out everything, so all that's in these baskets is loo roll. So if you're ever in my house and you're stuck, there is some loo roll in here. I'm also queen of just like, I have one of these, and I also have another one here. I just like them because they're pretty and they match, but they're not really functional, form over function. I just popped in a toothbrush, but I hate leaving a toothbrush out because I read that when you flush the toilet, like having your toothbrush beside it. But there's a little cap on that one. That's actually my travel toothbrush, so I just popped it there. Yeah, toilet rolls and my toothbrush. I popped the 3 bottles here, but actually I think I'm going to put them on this unit. So the top half of this unit is kind of a waste of space because I just have, you know, pretty trinkets. So I think I'm going to take, which I've already forgotten what's in which, the 3 bottles and just pop them here because they don't offend me when they're here. And then you're not seeing loads of bottles. So that doesn't offend me. They might look nice up top actually. I might take this guy out. It's a bit cluttered. You could be at this all day moving things around. Yeah, I think one less thing up here. Ta-da! Bit better. So inside here is nice and organized as well, and I just had a lot of stuff that was gone off, so I just kept some bits in here because this is kind of like, I would use this to like to have a bath, but I mainly shower upstairs. But I left some toiletries for any guests and stuff, so I left some toothpaste, I can't talk, toothpaste, just some face stuff. There's just some face serums, some soap. I have feminine stuff. So girls, if you're ever in my house and you need some bits, there you go, in the cute little floral bag. And then, yeah, just some leftover stuff. Also, eagle-eye people. What is that? Oh, it's for the boys. Don't get excited. My brother, when he was staying with me, he left these behind and I found them in here. So I just left them because they're still full, and hey, yeah, who knows, by having it, what is it they say when you're manifesting? Act as if. So we're gonna act as if there's a man in my house. Although we should probably give them top shelf. Top shelf. Treat them like kings. But anyway, for now they're down there. So that is the bathroom. Feeling tidy, feeling organized. Yes. One thing I used to always argue about when I lived with people was shampoo bottles and body shampoo bottles. And I know it's really trivial. First world problems. There's bigger things happening in the world compared to someone left a shampoo bottle out. But it used to just wind me up. And I know some people who are like that, who are the same. So I think this is the solution to my problem. May I no longer argue with people who leave shampoo bottles out and don't put them back in. I don't mind if this is left out. It's fine, because it doesn't offend me. Oh. Yeah, very trivial. Not worth arguing over. Put them in a generic bottle. You can also put your ends in the bottles as well. So if you have a couple of bottles with dribbles in them, you can just put them in one and mix it. I don't mind that either. Look at poor Blondie. Can you see her? I think I've bored the life out of poor Blondie. She's gonna sleep on me. I hope I haven't bored the life out of you with my bathroom organising, but I feel like this time of year, coming into autumn, I start to get a bit more freshening up. Like, just whenever I'm a little bit stressed, I declutter. It's like, if I can't control what's happening in the world, I can't control what's happening in my shampoo bottles. It's like, it just gives me a sense of comfort. I don't know, it might seem trivial for some, but hands up who's also like that. Let me know if you got a little bit of motivation. Love watching cleaning videos and organising videos to get inspired to do a little bit myself. And if you are feeling overwhelmed, I always say just one little section at a time. You don't have to do like everything. If you just, you know, have one corner in your bathroom that you want to organise the drawer. Love that feeling when you, like, I'm going to go up and wash my face now this evening, and I'll open that drawer and I'll be like, wow, lovely and tidy. If you're new to my channel, I do have a playlist. Cleaning videos isn't really my jam, but I do have a playlist of my shocking, like the hot presses there, organising videos where like I can get messy. If you want to check that out, I upload every Thursday, garden video on a Sunday. Make sure to hit subscribe. For my regular viewers, I hope you enjoyed. Cheeky thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.